we're talking about this little machine. It's meant to make Twinkies. Twinkies are basically like small, but we decided to make chocolate chip pinkies. This is the box, and this is the machine. We have it getting warmed up because that's the first step. Making muffins, you will need 1/3 of a 4th cup of water, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs. It's poured in, Max.
Pour the muffin mix in, Maxie.
Pour all this stuff.
There.
Now you gotta put your eggs in. Make sure only the egg gets in. Because you don't want any of that shell in there. The shell's nasty. You want your cup of oil, then pour it right in, and put water in it, and mix it up. Guys, did you know what actually makes your muffins yellow? The eggs, the yolk. So make sure you get the yolk in, or else your muffins won't be yellow.
You put and the milk lesson in a pot and mix it up and then put it there.
Are you gonna eat these, Max?
Yeah.
And
Muffins.
And then, guys, stir it up until you can.
Until everything is all mixed up, right?
Yep. I think it's good, Mom. You gotta spray it or else everything will stick to it, guys. Get your parents to do this, or let your parents help you. Guys, it's going good. We're gonna be making all this chicken.
Waffles!
That was good.
We
got
put
chicken.
it open.
We got our adorable dog, Lucky. You wanna know the best thing, guys? Ooh, this smells good in here, guys. Whoa, Mom, those things are getting so fat.
What?
They lifted up the whole
Oh
thing.
man.
They're getting so full. Look at that. Look at that. That is so crazy. Guys, I have never seen twinkles like so big as that. I'm gonna try the dough.
You gotta get the stool out of the way, Max.
Pretty good, guys. Mom, try this. Oh, you try it. Oh. That tastes good. Hopefully we can make a gaming channel soon. I hope we can. We're gonna play a lot of gameplays. On Thanksgiving, we're gonna have stuffing, chicken, turkey cookies. I'm not talking about like cookies that are made out of turkey. I'm talking like about cookies that are shaped like a turkey. And I love stuffing. We're gonna be watching football. It's for the children. If you want to know what sports I've done yet, like and subscribe if you want to know. Leave a comment. What do you think sports I play? Okay, it's wrestling and football. And leave a like down there if you like wrestling or football. Banana. Alexa. Mom! Guys, I think these things are ready. Yep, now we gotta get these things off the grill. I'm gonna use this fork, guys. Kids, remember, either you let your parents do this or let your parents help.
Let me show you.
Because you don't. Look at
That is our chocolate chip Twinkie.
Guys, this better taste good because all the effort we put into this. This is good.
You want to try it, Max?
Guys, I'm gonna try the crust. I want to feel how the crust tastes.
You like it?
Yeah. Crust is even better. The crust is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Oh, are you smart?
I want more chocolate cake.
Guys, Max, show them your muffin. See? It's pretty good.
Why is baking yours?
Look at the inside of that. The crisp bottom. Ooh, looks good, doesn't it?
You're very, very busy. You're too busy to eat a chocolate
Oh,
chip
this-
Twinkie. Mmm.